fall may be over, but this look is everything for the cooler time of year. I am using the color Earthly just to create a transitional base, using a fluffier brush and just kind of working it back and forth, softening as I go. And then I'm actually going to go in with a little bit bigger of a blending brush just to kind of blend the seams and make sure that everything flows cohesively. Going in with Fervent. Oh my gosh, this is like cranberry sauce on Thanksgiving. We are going to create that outer V, going into the inner corner as well, and then connecting over top and just haloing those together. You can create as dark of a look as you want or as light as you want. Then taking my setting spray and my cream shadow brush, taking this visionary color. Oh my gosh, it is so delicious. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh. Just putting that on the lid. And then I'm going to go back in with a smaller brush and just take that cranberry color and blend where the two meet, just so it flows cohesively and seamlessly. Then taking Optimistic, which is like the whipped cream on top, I'm putting it right under the brow and then just kind of doing little circular motions together to blend where it meets with that darker. Then going in with my black liner, I'm just doing up top today. My eyes have been watery and I cannot handle anything on my lower lashes. We are going to then take the lash primer, prep, and get those lashes ready and then curl them. Gotta curl. And if your lashes are super fine like mine, I like to do less product per coat, but more coats. So you're going to see me go in and work the 4D mascara in multiple coats. But just remember, I'm doing very light layers in comparison to what you might see. Then going in again for a second time here and just using the tip of the brush to kind of piece out. And that, my friends, is this gorgeous look.